When it comes to blending some sounds to create beautiful masterpieces for others to enjoy, grabbing a robust audio mixer will always be a wise investment. The audio mixer takes audio signals from various inputs and channels them into one harmonious sound. It also helps to control multiple aspects of music and allows you to manage multiple aspects of the music, such as volume, tone, and timbre. It can be used on performances done live or for recording songs in a studio. So if you want a suitable audio mixer, we can help with some of the best in the business. Head over to the video description to find out more about the featured products and the links to buy them. Starting with number 7, the Mackie 160 4V LZ4. It's an amazing rugged analog mixer with 16 microphone preamplifiers. This audio mixer uses Onyx mic preamps and offers up to 60 dBs of gain for excellent performance with any mic. Its ultra-low noise performance gives you clear sound, and the sealed rotary control resists dust and grime. The high-resolution stereo meter gives you a fast, easy visual indication of your signal levels. Also, it comes with a 4-bus design and intuitive routing, which makes it easy to create submixes for more natural, faster mixing. Its mic and line channels are equipped with a 3-band EQ and sweepable mids. On the other hand, it's built like a tank, with a rugged solid steel chassis and high contrast controls, allowing tactile control. Number 6 is the PVI 6500. It provides up to 6 simultaneous combination XLR and quarter-inch inputs using PV's award-winning silencer mic preamps and 40 watts of power for crystal-precise audio reproduction. This audio mixer uses exclusive features like a mid-morph EQ to help improve the tone and clarity of vocals accurately. Feedback is quickly and easily identified and removed with PV's 9-band graphic EQ, which is combined with our revolutionary FLS feedback locating system. Also, it's equipped with Cosmos, which drastically enhances both the low and high end of the audio spectrum, and is exclusively PV technology. Moreover, the foot-switchable, built-in 24-bit digital effects complement the already featured pack unit by allowing this user to select multiple varieties of reverb and delay. One more advantage is it comes with integrated Bluetooth technology, allowing it to easily connect with various devices for ease of control and recording. Number 5, the Studio Live 24.42 AI offers 24 channels with Class A X-Max mic preamps, line inputs, analog inserts, and direct outputs for flexible connectivity. This mixer features an extensive analog patch bay for flexible connectivity and a 40x26 FireWire S800 interface for easy recording and virtual sound checks. It provides a wireless or wired connectivity to any standard router and networks with Macs, PCs, and iOS devices running the Studio AI software library. It comes with a networked, tightly integrated hardware-software ecosystem in which every touch point in the system communicates to enhance each mixing task. Its FAT channel section provides you with clearly labeled knobs, an intuitive multifunction LED display. However, it has a separate pan display for getting clear visual feedback whenever you need it. This model comes with more DSP power than you can get with most other mixers in the same class. Next up at number 4 is the Mackie DL1608. This mixer combines the power of a full-featured digital mixer with the unmatched ease of use of an iPad. It provides mobile freedom to wirelessly control the mix and a powerful plug-in processing from anywhere in the venue. Also, the 16-channel DL1608 features premium hardware like 16 boutique quality Onyx preamps and Cirrus Logic converters that deliver unparalleled sound quality. You can customize the work surface for your specific application. with view groups and access limiting only to show the controls you need. Plus, the actual stage sound rarely sounds anything like it does in the audience, so mixing on stage isn't recommended, to be honest. Each and every channel features a choice of powerful plugins and effects to dial in the perfect sound for whatever you've got plugged in. Number 3. The Yamaha EMX5014C is a stereo-powered mixer with 14 inputs built in with digital effects, and 2 500-watt amplifiers. It's housed in a sturdy steel chassis that's optionally rack-mountable. The mixer has included 2 exclusive features: the feedback channel locator, which gives an instant visual indication of feedback, and 6 channels of easy-to-use single-knob compression that are also included to ease operation. Also, the effects send is routed to the built-in DSP that provides 16 high-quality effects based on Yamaha's popular SPX series effects processor. Its 2 amplifiers can be easily switched to accept the main left and right outputs, allowing 500 watts for main speakers. One of the amps run main and the other for monitors or both channels that can be used for monitors. Moreover, it has small quiet fans that keep the amplifiers fresh and has numerous output jacks on the front panel, which allow it the flexibility to grow as needed. Number 2. Allen & Heath ZedE. This combines the robustness and hands-on control of an analog mixer with a high-quality 4x4 USB interface and an outstanding multi-model FX unit. The studio-quality 24-bit 96 kHz and 4x4 USB interface makes it easy to capture multi-track recordings directly from the mixer to a Mac or PC, without the need for any extra equipment. This mixer includes a specially created suite of studio-quality reverbs, delays, and special multi-model effects, crafted by Allen & Heath's in-house effects aficionados. You can connect a guitar and a bass without separate DI boxes, thanks to the switchable high-Z inputs. However, the rotary controls are secured to the faceplate with steel nuts for maximum durability. Another advantage is it has low-cut filters to reduce rumble and other unwanted low frequencies. Last but not least, at the top of this list we have the Mackie Pro FX 8V2. This mixer provides a comprehensive live sound solution with a wide range of models, each delivering unmatched sonic performance. Each channel features its individual 3-band EQ and 100 Hz low-cut filters for shaping of the sound for your inputs. The ReadyFX digital effects engine gives you access to 16 different effects, including reverb and delays. It has 7 graphic EQs that can be assigned either to your main outputs, so you can fine-tune the PA or the aux output to get rid of feedback in your monitors quickly. Its innovative USB through switch allows for an impressive live recording when using performance software like Ableton Live or Reason. Moreover, it provides 48-volt phantom power on all mic channels and offers a roadworthy design with steel chassis and ABS side protection. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget, check the description below to pick out the best audio mixers available in the market.